Hail and greetings all, it's Ragnarok here, and I'm pretty sure it's time to harvest this bin of potatoes. If you don't know, this is a pure sign that these potatoes are ready to come out of the ground, and if there isn't one thing hobbits love to do more than harvest potatoes. Alright, so we can gently pull the plants, right? Because we know they're going to disconnect from all the potatoes, right?
Yeah.
So go ahead, start pulling them out. Make sure you check because you might have some attached.
Oh, yeah.
Like there.
A couple potatoes. Potatoes. Two potatoes.
Go ahead. Oh, well, here, potatoes go over here. There we go. Well, that one's cracked. Probably got a lot of water in there from all the rain.
Nope. Got more potatoes. That.
Ooh, that's a pretty big one there, actually.
Oh, potato. Here. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no potato on that one. There's a small potato.
Okay, there's no potato on this one.
No potato on that one.
Got a green potato.
Well, remember, we're going to have to dig down under it.
I found another potato.
Yeah, don't forget to get the babies. We need them too.
Wow. That potato, Dad. Found a potato.
Oh,
Yeah.
You want to find a potato?
Go ahead, you dig in. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, that's because of the rain. That's a good example of what happens over watering. Oh, look at this baby one.
Find some. Oh, I found more babies.
Yeah, we got to collect all of them. Every one. Big, little, or small.
Oh, even tinier.
Oh, thank you.
See, even tinier potato.
I need one.
Oh, there's another.
Go ahead, you can start throwing the dirt into the other bin.
Okay.
Because remember, you got to dig down in through. Find all the little potatoes.
Found a big potato.
I found a big potato.
There's a potato.
Here's the potato.
Yeah, you can go bring it to the potatoes. Found a potato.
I found a potato.
Thank you.
Oh, we got a big potato.
Oh, nice. Look at these. Yeah.
Small potato.
That's mine.
I think you're getting bigger ones than last year.
There must be one in there.
You gotta dig in the dirt.
There's a nice big one.
Oh, my big son. Oh, I thought that was a potato. No. That's too big of a potato.
Potato.
Okay, man. Start throwing the leaves in that into here, and then you'll be able to see.
Hey, Dave found a potato.
Yep.
Potato. Oh, hey. Where's the potato?
There you go.
Hey,
More taters the better. There's one, Owen.
Dad, I didn't even see it.
Good job, Booga.
Oh, I can't see it.
Let's see if we get it again.
Oh, Toonie got a double there.
See, just dig it here.
That's another one.
Grab a bunch. Dig in the dirt. Cookie. Wait. That might be
Might
yours.
be a potato right down here.
That looks like one, man.
Remember, I found a potato. Yay.
Oh, there's no
Here.
more.
Just keep digging.
There's no more.
Yeah.
There's no more.
Keep digging.
There might be more. You gotta keep looking. No, that's a rock.
Take all the dirt out.
All the dirt's going over into the other bin, remember? So that way it's easier for you to see.
Wait, I found a potato.
There you go.
It's easier to take
I
out the
found a
leaves.
potato.
You found a potato? Give it to Daddy then. I don't think that's a potato, but.
Potato.
Sorry, I'm not getting my dirt.
Okay, again. I'm gonna help you.
Looks like there's gonna be potato right here. Roots though, bro.
I'll take this dirty potato right here too. Keep digging.
Yeah, keep digging. Hey, I want a potato. Here's a mini potato. Ah, right.
I
want to have it. I don't have it.
Yeah, I do.
I want to have it. I do? I mean, right there's the mini potato. Buried it again.
Where's that potato? Why potato?
Oh, you gotta find the potato.
Ew.
Yeah, I found that already. Don't know
Keep
what it was.
walking. Yeah.
I'm sure it's not good.
That's
Right there, right.
I'm not like smelling that. This is a different one. But the man's coming on me.
You're on
Tails on my side.
You gotta keep walking, Ilva. Can't be a grumpy baby.
Look.
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna be spinning with Tails. Here. Oh,
Hey, just deep again.
Dig.
Just dig. Just get your hands deep.
All right, so we got this nice big bowl of potatoes, huh?
Yeah.
So now what do we need to do with them?
Let them get
sit.
We got to let them cure for a couple weeks if we were going to store them. But I'm pretty sure these are going to end up in your belly, so way before that time. So here's 1 container's harvest of potatoes. Until next we meet.
Be well.